Most AI tools give you generic answers. You ask ChatGPT something specific about your business, your product, your notes, and it just makes something up. What if your AI actually knew your stuff? In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an AI chatbot trained on your own documents. In under 5 minutes, completely free. No coding, no API key, no subscription. Let's get started and build it right now. Here's the problem with regular AI. When you ask it a question, it answers from its training data, stuff it learned from the internet. It doesn't know this specific documents, your FAQ, your internal notes. What we're going to do is give the AI your actual documents to learn from. So when someone asks a question, it pulls the answer directly from what you uploaded, not from the internet. This is called RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. But you don't need to know that. All you need to know is upload a doc, ask it questions, get accurate answers. The app we're using is called RagmyAI. It's free on Android and web. I'll link it below. Go to RagmyAI.com. I'll put the link in the description. You can use the web version or download the Android app from Play Store. Both work the same way. Once you're in, you'll see the main chat interface. This is where your chatbot will live. To train it on your documents, we will need to upload some files and the AI will learn from them. Go to Train AI, then upload documents. Now upload your documents. I'm going to use RagmyAI's own FAQ as an example, but this works with anything. Study notes, a company manual, a research paper, anything in PDF, docx, HTML, or TXT format. I will upload my PDF here. You can see it's processing the document now, reading through it, breaking it into chunks, and indexing it, so the AI can search through it later. Depending on the size of your document, this takes a few seconds to a minute. Okay, now, let's test it. Now I'll ask it something that's only in my document, something it couldn't possibly know from the internet. I'm going to ask, what file formats can I upload to train the AI? And there it is. That answer came directly from my document, not from the internet, not from hallucination. It's pulling the exact information I uploaded. Let me try another one. Here is the answer. Now here's where it gets useful. You don't have to keep this chatbot to yourself. RagmyAI lets you share your chatbot with anyone via a link or embed it on a website. So if you've trained it on your product FAQ, your customers can use it directly. Just go to web chat and you will see your website link that you can send to anyone. They just open the link and they can chat with my document. No account needed on their end. There's also an embed option if you want to ask if to a website. Just copy this code and paste it into your website. So what can you actually use this for? If you run a business, upload your FAQ, your product manual, your pricing doc, train a chatbot on it and share the link with your customers. They get instant answers. You stop answering the same questions over and over. If you're a student, upload your lecture notes, your textbook chapters, your revision guides. Ask it questions like you're being quizzed. It's like having a tutor that's read everything you have. If you work in a team, upload your SOPs, your onboarding docs, your internal knowledge base. New team members can ask questions instead of slacking everyone. One document, one chatbot, shareable with anyone, for free. RagmyAI is free to download on Android. Link is in the description. The free tier uses Llama for Scout, which is genuinely good for document Q&A. If you want GPT or Gemini, you can upgrade, but you don't need to get started. There's also a web version if you want to try it right now without downloading anything. If this was useful, subscribe. I'm posting more tutorials on how to use AI tools actually, not just for messing around. I'll see you in the next one.